Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a fruit basket. First, choose a basket that is both sturdy and visually appealing. Look for one with a flat bottom, at least 8 inches deep, to hold your fruit securely. Consider the occasion and the recipient's taste when selecting the material and overall size. A good foundation is key for a beautiful presentation. Next, select a diverse array of fresh, ripe fruits. Aim for a mix of colors and textures, like crisp apples, juicy oranges, and vibrant grapes. Gently wash and thoroughly dry each piece of fruit to prevent spoilage. Inspect every item carefully, setting aside any that are bruised or overly soft to ensure your basket stays fresh longer. Now let's arrange the fruit. Begin by placing the largest and heaviest fruits, such as pineapples or grapefruits, at the bottom of the basket to create a stable base. Then, strategically layer medium-sized fruits, like apples and pears, building up the sides. Finally, tuck smaller items, such as berries or tangerines, into any gaps to create a full, abundant look. To complete your fruit basket, add some delightful finishing touches. Consider tucking in a few small, non-fruit items like a package of gourmet nuts or some artisanal chocolates. Drape a colorful ribbon around the handle or tie a festive bow to enhance its visual appeal. Finally, wrap the entire basket in clear cellophane for a professional and polished presentation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.